for sure. Candy cold, candy. Make sure my jewel on my cold. I'm on froze, I'm on ice. Put a little bitch on the cold. And in the cold, and in the cold. Everything good ain't gold.
What's up, y'all? It's your boy Side. Today, I'm gonna show you guys how to clean your Jordan 5s and retros. Since you guys liked the how-to series, this is how dirty it is. First of all, how dirty it is, and then this, and then this. You just need a bowl of water, and then this is a good brand or something. Jason Mark. Or you guys can use soap, dish soap, and you need like some kind of brush and a rag. So I'm gonna start off. I think that I'm just gonna start off the bottom. That's how bad it is. I'm gonna start off the bottom. So you just need to do this. You don't need a lot. I'm running out of this, so just this. And once you're good, just start from the bottom. It's gonna take a minute, but look at all this. Look at this already. I'm not gonna wear my retros until the winter is done. Cause it's fucking muddy and bullshit. It's not gonna be fully done cause I don't know. I use them like 3 or 4 times already. Just see this? It's getting clear now. It's not easy. You always want to clean your retros, especially when you spend a lot on them. They're good. It's much clearer than before. So now I'm gonna do this side. This part is gonna have to dry out. So I don't know how this goes. So go around. If you need to add more of those, you can if you want. See how dirty this is? This part is gonna dry off. So just do the dirty parts. Not the whole shoe is dirty. We just the bottoms and the. See, I just did just the dirty parts. So now you can just use the rag and dry it off. It's not gonna be clear and white like it was when you bought it, but it's better than before. Guess so. See, this part is gonna dry off like I said. But if you guys are new, subscribe, comment below, and like the video. If you guys want the series how to, just let me know in the comment section, and I will do more. So now the second shoes. See, look how dirty it is right now. See that? It's gonna take. See? Show it closer. Shit. A little bit clear. If you think you got satisfied with it, whatever you guys think. You don't have to. If you got satisfied with it, you got it good. So I'm gonna do the front end. I'm gonna do the same routine I did with the other one. This one's not that dirty compared to the other one. Just know that this is one of the pairs of my shoe collection. So there's more here. This is one of the. It's not my favorite. I think it's gonna be my second favorite. If you guys want to know my favorite one, let me know in the comment section. And let's just try to get 10 likes at least. Okay, I think that looks good. I'll just dry it off like I did. Like I said, this one like drying off. It was all. See, this one's drying off. This. It looks better than before, I guess. Well, let me talk though. Well, that was just a quick preview of how to clean your shoes. And thanks for watching, y'all. Comment below and like the video. Also share and subscribe if you're new. If you guys want more how-to videos, let me know. Like I said, guys. And thanks for watching, y'all.
Hundreds. I take your life for this money. I took the top of the Coopers the same. I did this shit for the pain. Put on a private plane. All of my people.